Okay, so doing a quick video review of the shower head that I bought off on Amazon here. This right here, we bought this because it's not only for hard water, there's a filter in here, but this is also great for pets. I'm going to show you guys right now. So what we're going to do, you stay. This is off right now. We're going to put this right about that far. You want like lukewarm but not hot, okay? You're gonna turn your dog this way. You twist and turn, okay? And this button right here, you basically push very lightly. See? You don't want it too hard, but it's enough. And you want just basically just run it over your dog like this. This is the feature I'm talking about for the pets. It does really good. As you see, it targets pretty well. As you see that. Then you're going to turn this off for a minute. You're going to basically sit down, basically lean over. If you got dog shampoo, just run it across your back like this. And you just soak your hand right into the shampoo. You see how dirty she is? See how the dirt coming off her? This is a lavender type shampoo, which also got off of Amazon. It's pussy for helping fleas. Fleas don't like lavender for some reason. You're gonna get all around her. Get her tail too, get her legs. Just get your hands all soaked up, just run it down her legs like this. Do her chest. Use your hands around the ears. Just run your fingernails right through the back and just basically massage her fur as much as you can. When you think you're done, go ahead and get the feet, get them clean. She's a good girl, she lets you do it, see? Okay, so with that being done, let's go ahead and put this back on very lightly. You kind of want a heavier pressure this time. Just run it through her like so. It runs in a like a horizontal. This is a great shower head, I'll tell you that right now. And I love the feature that for the pets. It does really well for them, as you see. Get her under area, get her tail. Get her feet and legs. Turn her around if you have to. And get the other side. Keep running the hose over her until you don't see no more soap residue on her. Run your hand through. Make sure there's no more soap on here. And just use the hose to basically to make the, just to groom her a little bit. Get her front area right here. Stand up if you have to. Okay, push the button to turn off. What was that? And then when you're done, basically twist this back on. Quiet, Bella. Just like that. And that's all it takes. Anyways, that's how you use that hose to wash your dogs. And yeah, sorry for the barking. But yeah, you guys get the idea.
So I already have this filter installed with my whole shower head, but I decided, you know what, let me install it and see the pressure. If the pressure is not good enough, then I'll take this off and install it. But even with this filter, it still has a very good height, because this is me and I'm 5'8". Now I read one of the reviews. It has another filter in here. Let me take it off. So it can be taken off like this for the stream. And then you can put it right back. Now, how did I take it off before? I can't remember. So this is it. This goes in here, same as this side. Make sure you lay it flat. Screw this onto here. Get it. All the way down. Okay. Then this has a filter. Goes in. Screw on. This here. Then the head. So this can be used to wash the bathroom. That is very powerful. Okay, so now one thing to note is this stop button. If you don't want it to be very powerful, you don't press it all the way in. So like this. If I reduce the power of the jet by pushing the button gently, not all the way through. This is off. This is the first setting, second setting, third setting. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. This is the timing. Okay, it's the best $19 I spent this year. Thank you.
This is definitely the best filtered shower head I've had. It's got a massager on it. It's got pressure on it right now. It's got an on and off button, so if I press that, it's going to go on. This is sort of a mister in the massager, and it goes to 2 other settings. Another cool thing about this, I take the pressure off though, is you can use it to wash your, tiles. So you take it off the shower head. It's got pressure enough to wash the tiles down. Don't forget to put the O-ring back in.
Now look at the person. Hard. How hard it is. And change the setting. Same. Hard. Turns on. Happy. Yes, sir. Make sure you got clockwise with Teflon here and here. I worry about this one because it has 2 washers, one filter screen and then a regular washer. It should be good. Just make sure you get this really good taped off. About 2.5, 3 Teflon strip in the line, 1, 2, 3 clockwise, guys. And then probably 1.5 on this one. No leaks. Yeah, look at this.
It's perfect. I love it so much.
Sucker, powerful. Well, like I said, if you've ever been sprayed with a at the car wash by the car wash hose, that's how this feels. But you can turn the water down some so the pressure ain't so extreme. But Jesus, I like it though.
It's more of a mist than it is an actual spray, which can make you feel kind of cold. There's another setting, but it's very similar to this.